I'm going to start this presentation. So basically, as far as Ruijie, I'm hoping you have heard this name in past also, Prabhakaran or from any ADP or in market. So, so basically, the every OEM having their own strength. So when we talk about what is your USP, unique selling point. So for us, our USP is cloud leads the future research the value chains. So why actually people are considering Ruijie in a overseas market, in a global market, against many OEM because the cloud which we have, everyone having their own cloud, but the cloud which we have, it is like more reliable and much easier. Means non-technical person can also access of our cloud. So another slide, as far as Quadrant rating agency, so you can see we are the part of this IDC and Gartner. So these are the basically strength of Ruijie in the overseas market. So when we talk about our strengths, so we have a 50 plus branch offices globally. India office, we are going to start in the Q1 of 2026. We are finalizing the office. We have finalized the office in the Mumbai. So we will start this office in the maybe Q1 of the 2026. And apart from that, we are going to hire multiple resources. Also, we are going to have regional sales, pre-sales, and post-sales as well. So all the hiring process are going to be done in the month of Feb or March maximum in 2026. 20,000 plus employees are associated. It is 5,000. This 8,000 plus employees are associated with Ruijie Networks. Some are part of the pre-sales, some are the part of post-sales, some are the part of R&D. So out of 8,000, 50% plus employees are associated with the R&D point of view. 8 R&D centers is there that is based out of China. 2 operation center which is Beijing and Fuzhou. Later in future we are planning. So basically what we are planning in 2026, we are shifting multiple things actually. In 2026, we are going to start everything in Vietnam. And also we are going to change the origin as well. So this is the progress on till date. So as far as certification part, we are going to get all the certification before the end of November. So all TC, NCCS, MTCT, whatever is that everything is applied and got certified. So now we are going to get that all the certification by the month of November or December. So how we are investing our revenue, 18% plus we are investing for R&D, 30% for R&D, investment for printer research, 50%. Employee are working for the R&D. These are the some certification point of view ISO norms. If any customer wants, you can tell them, yes, we have. These are the basically cloud. So how like when we started this cloud management system. So we are there since 2014. So Meraki is the first OEM who entered in this cloud module in 2009. After I think Meraki, we are the second largest OEM for the second one who started this kind of things in 2014. Maybe second or maybe third or maybe fourth. I don't have much idea. But we are there since 2014. So currently 45 million plus networking devices are hosted on our cloud. 6 million plus registered users are there who are taking the advantage of our cloud. 120 plus countries we are covering. Our cloud is hosted on Google and AWS. So as far as security concerned, so you can tell them, yes, that cloud is there on Google and AWS platform. So there is no any cloud is there in China. So our cloud hosted in US and Singapore. And we support 20 plus languages. This is how like our cloud, what we are offering in our cloud, awareness like project, what project marketing point of view, who are we, what kind of project we have done, case study, discovery, pre-stage, post-stage, project deployment. So multiple things, started from awareness till support and maintenance, everything you can get from one platform, which is our cloud. If you have installed this app, then I will show you. This is the project. I will not take a much time because again, the technology part is going to take a time. So business and product strategy. So we have a 2 segment, which is first is SME, second one is SMB. So as far as SME concerns, so SME we have a competitive product like Huawei, Cisco, like these are the major OEM. This kind of product which have. Why actually we put it Ruijie SME against means like the competitor like HP Huawei, because SME, the platform which we have today, we support 800 gig kind of platform also. So started from 1G till 800 gig kind of modular switches we are that is available with us. We are not bringing in India, that's a different thing, but globally, we have that segment is also available with us, and we have a hosted on a many data center as well in overseas market. As far as SMB, so these are the basically major competitor, Equity, TP-Link, Edgar, Grandest, and dealing kind of volume. Maybe you can consider Aruba and Cisco, Aruba, Stanton, or maybe Cisco Kobo also in this segment. These are the product range which we have. So we have a switches, we have an access point, we have a wall plate access point, we have a ceiling mount access point, outdoor access point, point to point, switches, L1, L2, L3, whatever you want, we can provide you. Then gateway started from 100 user till 3000 user kind of gateways available. Currently we have a 1500, but 3000 user is maybe we will launch very soon. These are the SME product portfolio. So you can see all the chassis-based switches, rack-based switches, and access point Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 7 access point we are going to bring in India in 2026 by the month of maybe February or March. So these are the segment actually which we focused. So if any customer is asking about hotel industry, so you can tell them this is how we are pitching our solution to hotel industry. So let me, yeah. So this like gateway, under the gateway, there is the switches, under the switches, there is the access point. So basically, the gateway which we have, it is open API supported. So we can provide you SDK kit. So basically, many customers are today, they are using our gateway against the AAA gateway. Because of open API, you can integrate multiple billing software, like what we call that is the suppose if you have a some HMS hotel management system software, if you want to integrate that HMS along with our gateway, so I can share you that API code, open SDK code, which you can, if you need, if you know some coding, then you can integrate our SDK along with your API. These are the like CCTV solutions. So I will tell you why actually CCTV solution. We don't have any CCTV, but our solution, our networking solution is very good for CCTV industry as well. We are solving most of the problem from the CCTV world. So these are the basically SD-WAN. So currently our gateway, the solution which we have, our gateway are capable to provide the SD-WAN things also without investing any price, without paying any cost, without paying any software cost. You can same hardware you can use for SD-WAN purpose also. This is the hostel solution. So and then now I'm going to start from the technical side, like why our solution is like getting more and more familiar in this particular market. So the first step is what? If you bought anything, then the first step is what? Installation. So how easily you can configure our devices within less than 150 seconds. You can configure our devices with the help of self-organized network, which is SON. So I will show you how SON works. Let me share my screen. Prabhakaran, my screen is visible to you? Mobile screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So this is our app. So in app here, you can get all those things. If you want any poster, banner from the promotional side, you can download from here. If you want to know webinar detail, product insider, some success cases also, you can get it from here. Here is all the product detail is there. Now the first step, I will create a BOM, how you can create the BOM, how aggressively, effectively BOM you can create. The first step, I'm just taking a like from the WAN side, I took the one router, which is 310 GHE for 300 user. I take the one router. After router, then we required switches. I took the one switches, maybe 5200. I took the one switches. After switches, maybe a customer needed access point also. One switch is normal, and I took the some PoE switches also. That is this core switches I took here. Then some PoE switches I take from here. Okay, some two switches. Then some access switches I take from here. These are some access switches. Suppose one access switches. After then, customer needed access point also. Maybe some wall access point they needed. So I took here suppose 5 wall access point. Then they want some ceiling mount access point. After survey, you found they required 5 ceiling mount access point. Then for streaming area, they required some outdoor access point also. So I took some outdoor access point. I took one outdoor access point. So after this, here you can go there, you can go, and then you can see these are the product which you have selected for the customer requirement, then generate the BOM. This BOM is for maybe for the retail shop. I just took the BOM name I given like demo. Okay. So after that, after BOM created, after site survey, if the customer told you I needed a heat map also along with this. So they shared you, they have already shared you floor plan. So what I did actually, I'm just taking the sample floor plan here, like name demo. Then I took the here floor plan. This is the floor plan. I put the area, actual area is 30 meter, 3 meter, then okay. Loading. Just say this. This access point which I have selected, that you can replace this access point also somewhere if you want. Then you can put this from here to there, here, some here, or maybe this one. Yeah, this side. This one maybe if you want to, these are the wall actually. So that is why it is showing something. So what I did actually, I put it here. Okay, this is how you can place your AP as per the requirement. You can manually also you can place the access point. Okay, so I placed the access point. Then what I did, I went here. Then I want to put the prices also over here. So what I did, I put in suppose prices here for this device 18,000. For this device, I put it 35,000. For this, maybe 11,000. I'm going to share this suppose to the customer. This device maybe 26,000. Then this device maybe 4,500. This device maybe 5,000. This device maybe 4,500. Okay. I put in the price and then I put here GST. How much GST is there? 18%. I put the GST. Okay. Then export. You can export in PDF. You can export in Excel. I'm just exporting in Excel. Save. No. So you can just see this. Here is your BOQ complete along with the model number, description, quantity, price. Okay. Unit price. And then unit. This is the unit price. This is the total price. Just this is the total tax. And here is the total feature which we are going to offer with highlight what we are going to offer. Then topology, how this setup is going to deploy. This is the topology. Placement map, this is your floor plan, which I took. This is the 2.4 gigahertz coverage. This is the 5 gigahertz coverage. You can just share this heat map along with your customer. This is how easily you can create. So even after sharing, customer will not ask even second question, brother, how this is going to manage. Because everything you offered within the same BOQ. Floor plan, heat map, price, everything. So for customer understanding, it is very much easy. Second step, what after creation the BOQ, after suppose customer finalized, now installation came in picture. So I'm just taking a one demo project. So this is the demo project which I'm taking. So this is the SON. SON means self-organized network. So how easily you can configure our devices. Now I'm creating a one demo project. So first step is what you need to power on all the devices. Then start. Connect with the password. So every access point, every device means before you start, you can configure in two way. Either you can scan the serial number, or if you have an access point, then you can plug power. You can give the power to the access point, and one SSID will broadcast, and you can put the password of that SSID. Suppose I'm just put it given the password of this SSID. Okay, save. Now this is how what kind of devices which I'm going to configure. One gateway, one firewall, 4 switch, and these are the access point. Let's configure this access point, this whole project. Start configuration. So first step is what? I put in the demo project name, demo. Next, you can select the PPPoE, DSCP, static IP, what kind of internet connection is there. Then next, You can select the port which you are going from gateway to firewall, the port which you are going to connect. And then you can put the SSID. I put it the SSID, Rajiv. You can put the password, whatever password you want to put. I put the password. Okay. You can encrypt, do not encrypt. Here you can see the code PPSK, PPSK1, PPSK2, whatever you want to see. We started supporting PPSK3 also, this WPA3 also. So save. Now this whole configuration is done. No need to do anything. After 3 seconds, there all the devices will come online. So this is the simple step to configure all the devices. That is what I was showing you. SOM. Okay. So after SOM, once after configuration, then what is the this VLAN? How easily you can configure the VLAN? So I will just show you. Just see this video. Within some step, you can configure the VLAN. Just say this. Right. This is the only step to create the VLAN. Usually it takes a lot of skill set to create the VLAN. But in our scenario, no skill set. L1 or L2 person can also do all those things. Okay. And these are the basically benefit of before and after, before and now, you can say. So router setup and VLAN, like 1 hour, within 5 minutes, you can do all those things. So this is what Mumbai customer was saying, and then Bangalore customer was saying about their feedback. Okay. Come to the second step, which is the portal authentication. I'm just taking as an example. Take an example. Customer have an internet, but they just want a captive portal. They want an access point where they can create a captive portal. So if customer have an existing setup, if you are buying or any access point, maybe 2200 E also, which is less than 5000 access point. If you are buying 2200 E also, within the one access point, you can create the captive portal over a cloud. Standalone API also support the captive portal. And how easily you can create the captive portal, I'll just show you. Just say this. Go to the captive portal, add policy. Here. You can create for router, you can create for AP. If you have a gateway, then you can create gateway. Or if you don't have gateway, you can create for AP. You can select the SSID, VLAN number which you have created for your guest, so that guest cannot access your internet network. Go here, add page. Add page, you can put the page name. Option, you
Sir,
can select multiple option is there. Yeah, Prabhakaran.
for 2200
Yes,
E,
yes,
we need
yes,
a
also
gateway
support.
for
Yes,
captive
yes.
portal.
No, 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 no. 2200 also support standalone captive portal.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes, yes. That started from V2, version 2. In version 2, 2200. So now the device, the stock which we have, that is the V2 only. Don't worry. You can start saying yes, the 2020 also support captive portal. Okay, so this page is ready. Done. So this is how easily you can configure the captive portal in your network. Okay. So after setting the page, this is the basically after setting the page, uh, voucher. So you can select voucher login. You can select multiple whatever you want to say. Any guest came, then you can give the voucher, and with the help of the voucher, you can create the voucher also. Let me see here the voucher video also maybe. No, this is how page looks actually, how you can design the page multiple way. And then you can create the voucher with the help of voucher, SMS, whatever authentic integration you want to do. That is there in our gateway. You can gateway or portal, you can create that and you can allow them to access that internet. So manage the bandwidth. Again, many time you found that customer ask, I want prioritized bandwidth to my Zoom app, or maybe I want prioritized for YouTube, any social sites. So here you can prioritize bandwidth also as per the customer request, as per the customer demand, even hotel, restaurant, home, office, anywhere. And if you want, if customer wants the dedicated like customized bandwidth also, for their customer, for their management, for their guests, for their management, for the staff, you can use the customer. You can give the customized bandwidth also. How that use flow control app work actually, I'll show you. Just you can click the flow control app, and here you can select here what kind of bandwidth, WAN bandwidth, WAN. So this, as per the policy wise, you can decide the internet bandwidth. Multiple customer, multiple kind of bandwidth you can allow. Okay. Then here you can see there's another. Click here. Then if you want to prioritize some app, you can prioritize. You can create the user group. In user group, you can integrate all user or specific user or specific VLAN ID, and which website, which category you want to allow them or you don't want to allow them. You can select that category. And then you can block that. Block, speed limit, priority, whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay. This is the how flow control work. Submit successfully. Now come to the second option, Wi-Fi. So many time what happened actually, customer asking my Wi-Fi is not working, my Wi-Fi is slow. So in that situation, you need to send your engineer at a physical customer side to like diagnose the issue. But in our scenario, no need to send a customer engineer at a customer side to diagnose the issue. What you can do, you can just run the AI optimization. So this AI optimization is what, just see this. This is the AI optimization. Here is the basically here all the work is there. So AI optimization, what does actually? So take an example. Sometime what happened? Customer deployed access point, but access point distance is not too much. Okay, so maybe some channel conflict started happening. So just run the AI optimization from here, Wi-Fi optimization, and your all the devices will reschedule the channel, and then we'll set everything on a proper mode. Deep optimization or quick optimization, it is up to you, and then you can just start. Okay, after running that AI optimization, what will happen? It will scan everything. It will scan the WLAN, it will scan the configuration, delivery configuration, everything will scan, and everything you can run in background also. And you can do your own work. So how? Let me see. Let's wait. Let's complete all the. It takes time. So what I did actually, I put it in background. I will tell you. So this is the AI optimization. The second is here. That is deep and complete whole check AI diagnose. So just take an example after AI optimization which we did, and then customer said my internet is working, but something is not good. Some challenges I am facing. So the other feature is what, which is this. Let's run in background. So this AI diagnostic, take an example. If you have an engineer, that engineer is L1 maybe, or L2, or maybe your L3 engineer is stuck with some other work. You want to just know exactly what kind of problem is there. So if you don't have technical L3 capability, if you are a pure like admin kind of person or maybe sales kind of person, if you know the exact challenges, so here is the another feature which after AI optimization you can run AI diagnostic. So what AI diagnostic does actually? So AI diagnostic scan all the network, whole networks. What AI diagnostic scan? These are the things which AI diagnostic scan. Okay. And just run the AI diagnostic will tell you what is the problem in your network. And after it will not tell you the problem only, it will tell you the problem along with solution also. Just take an example. Yeah, here is the some challenge. So here is the challenge for session limit. So you fill this you get this detail like training number of gateway session based on data of last 15 days. These are the basically. So IP session. So here this is the challenge too high. There are too many sessions from certain IP address resulting. So what is the solution? Your solution is what? You are advised to set the number of systems per IP address to 500, which is sufficient of formal inter. So only problem you will not get, you will get the solution also. So accordingly your engineer can uh, do that changes in your network. So this is very good if if you have a minimal manpower, if you have a minimal capabilities, technical capabilities. So one engineer can manage multiple many projected. It could be on premise or it could be like somewhere else. It could be in within city or it could be out of city. Third is what there is the before yeah, so there after AI diagnostic and AI Wi-Fi optimization. So sometime what happened? Take an example. If you feel like something is there, customer before informing you to the customer, you want to know what exactly what kind of problem is there. So basically here you can check. This is the alert. Here you can see any project. These are my own project. Any project, if you put it here, then if you open this project, then if any challenge in that particular project, here no alarm is there. Here, if I'm opening this project, here some alarm is there. What is asking? New version is available. So whatever is there, any challenges is there in your network, you can find out here itself. You can set the alarm. That alarm will come over an email. Alarm will can come over a here. Okay, you can get that alarm and accordingly you can sort out the issue. After that, how many clients are connected with a network? You can get the details of all the client. Okay, it could be camera, it could be whatever is that, desktop, laptop. And then here is the complete strength, the strength of the network. Okay, come to the second. So 70, so now in network, when we talk about, there are the multiple things. So earlier, when we talk about network, so there was the switches, there was the gateway, firewall or gateway, there was the access point. Now your this CCTV camera also become a part of network when that camera become a IP. So whatever device which is part of the IP, that is the part of your network. So now take an example. If you are buying, take an example here. If you bought Ruijie gateway or switches or any devices, if you are buying. Okay, if you are buying, suppose just our this gateway. So can gateway also give you visual of all the camera? Yes. if you are buying this gateway from our side and this device, this switches component is not from our device, our part. You bought this from somewhere else, the switches. Okay, so still you can manage that. If switches from somewhere else you bought, some other OEM is there, and access point is our, and this gateway is our. So if you are buying this gateway from Ruijie, then still you can get the visibility of all the camera and all the devices, how many devices, and then you can not get the visibility. You can get the visual also. So what you can get, I will show you. Just this, just see this. How easily you can reboot your per port when if you are using Ruijie switches. Just see this. You can click on the port. That port, from that port, that particular CCTV camera is connected, and you can do the cable test as well as you can do the restart also, port restart also. Just say this. Reboot the PO interface. Okay. So cable test as well as PO, that you can reboot the camera also from here itself. No need to travel at the side. So now these are the basically series. I will discuss this later. Come to the access point. So now these are the basically, suppose if you are a customer having like a farmhouse, like some resort, some other area, everywhere you cannot pull the cable. So these are the some actually P2P devices which you can use in elevator, which you can use in resort, farmhouse kind of things, or maybe these devices work from started from 1 kilometer till 15 kilometer kind of P2P devices which we have, which you can use for P2P connectivity, P2P EMP, or maybe for CCTV connectivity. It is as per the requirement. This device is not a launched yet in India market, but this device, this 330F is having PoE out also. So it take an example in another location, there is no any power provision is there, so you can get the power to your camera from the same P2P device. This is this EST100E basically used for elevator scenario. So now the biggest question. Now I shown you that how you can create the heat map. So how easily you can create the heat map? Just see this video. AP auto placement. Just see this. Auto AP placement. Okay. Just a second. I'll show you physically actually in my laptop itself. Just a moment. So that you can get better idea. Let me log in here. Log in Reyee Cloud. You can just log in with your whatever user ID password you are using for your mobile app store. You can use similar user ID password to log in here. Okay, I logged in here. So what I did actually, I went to the heat map, AI heat map. Now I want to create a heat map for my CCTV AI heat map. I put the name demo Chennai. Maybe it is Villa. Okay. I upload the floor plan. From here, I upload the floor plan. Okay. Okay. So you can do the camera stimulation. Okay. So stimulation, you can do it from here. Just wait. So, you know, let's do the line. And I'm selecting a floor plan. This one. Okay. And define the floor. Okay, what I can do, I can go here, select the camera. I selected this camera. I took suppose some other places. I put it here. Wherever I want to do, I want to put then the series. So this is how you can get the camera range, and then you can put camera as per the requirement. You can add the maximum if you want to add more camera. You can add. This area is big, so you can add more camera wherever you want to add. You can do the camera this thing AI, and in same things. If and then after that you can export this. So this camera does not belong with us. This is a third party camera. But with using our app, you can create the heat map for your CCTV camera also. And after the adding, then you can share with your partner or customer. Okay. Now I'll show you this. Total 17 cameras selected. Okay. It's just saved an Excel sheet. Let me see. So this is the 8x4 camera. You can see this topology, indoor, placement design. See, these are the footage. So accordingly, you can put the area, and then according the area, you can select the, you can put the camera. Now, in a similar way, you can create the heat map for your this thing access point also. You just go here, put the name demo AP, and then upload the floor plan here. Floor plan. Yes. Just taking the floor plan. I'm just taking on floor plan. Okay. Okay. It has been automatically recognized area, or you can put the stimulus identifying the floor plan. This is the floor plan, and here you can go. Then suppose if I don't want to like how to place the AP. So what I did actually, I assisted for AI assisted for AP placement. So what AI will do, AI automatically will place the access point. Just wait. You will get the quantity automatically. So this. Right? Wherever you will record the AP, you'll get the feedback from the AI. And then you find three access point is required. You can select the model number here. Or if you want to edit this, then you can edit. You can select the manual model number also. And if you want to place this AP manually, then you can place the access point manual also. And from here, and then you can do the cable. If you want to place the cable also, then you can do the you can create the this heat map for the cable as well. As per the requirement, you can select the cable also. What I did, I selected here the model number, for example, 2200E. This 2200E, I want here, so you can see how many access points will be required. So accordingly, you can place that, or maybe what I did actually, it would be here. Here, this one is okay. Then one is here, another one is here, and then you can end it. So suppose if you want one more, then you can put one more. Is the person. Okay. Manual also you can put, and then cable, if you want to check the cable, which how many cable will be required. So you can select the cable also, Cat6. Take an example from start cable from here to here. If you want to check how many cable will be required. So I just select Cat6 UTP. AI assisted draw start cable. Let AI assist. No. So from here to here, or from you can check. Then this to this, then or maybe there is some server room. If you want to draw that cable from there, from here, maybe here is the somewhere switches is there. You can put that, and then you can get that. And after that, you can just export that also, loading, and then you can put the price also here, unit price which I shown you during the first time, and then after that you can export this. Okay, these are the from AI heat map side. Let me show you this Excel sheet also. If you think it is becoming little bit technical, so you can stop me. I will remove this conversion. Means I will forward only from the sales point of view. Sorry, this is the This is the BOQ which I created. You can see here. Same thing. Restaurant design, floor plan, heat map, can find it. Okay, and you can share similar thing to your customer. This another feature which is very good for you, which that is okay. Wait. Maybe it's optimization. Then after that, now after heat map, after creation of heat map, now this is the NAT transversal. So this NAT transversal is what means. Suppose if you have a deployed at if you have deployed camera at a customer location, but if you want to log in that camera on anywhere from your location. So suppose customer is asking why this camera is not working, why that camera is not working. So for that, you have to send your engineer at a customer side. But in our scenario, no need to send an engineer at a customer side. You can just open the NAT transversal app and then you can get the NVR and camera login from your mobile. Just see this how. You can find the total client. You can select the camera also for that, or you can get the login of all the camera. Okay. You can get the camera login, and then after that, if you want to delete, then you can delete it. You can disable that, or you can delete. Correct. So this is very helpful when we talk about small system integrator who has a limited resource, but you have maximum small project. If you want login, so you just put one gateway on top of the NVR, and then you can get the. If one gateway is also there, no need to. If switch is not there, access point is not, nothing is there. Only gateway is there. Still, you can get the login of your camera or NVR from remote location. Okay. Now, DDNS and transversal are mostly the same. Client list, which I shown you. Then cable test already shown you how you can do the cable test. Then this is the loop prevention. Loop prevention is what? Take an example in one rack. If you have put it 4 switches, 5 switches, 6 switches kind of thing. If you enable the loop prevention, then if you are getting any error with your network, you can find out. You can fix that. Further, this is the WLAN setting. Yeah. So now, if I put it in some, so many customer ask, take a, I'm not talking about here any enterprise kind of deployment. I'm just talking about SME and SMB kind of deployment. Okay. So if you have a deployed 5 AP, 10 AP, access 16 AP, 20 AP, 30 AP kind of project, do you think customer afford or that particular home or that particular smart office, they told, I don't want controller kind of thing? Can we give them AI roaming? Can our devices give them load balancing kind of feature? Can our devices provide them a proper internet access within the network? So when we talk about Ruijie, so our all the devices having default AI roaming feature, having default AP load balancing feature, having default SSID rate limit, and so on. So this every AP. So feature wise, let me show you what kind of feature they can. Just see this. These are the some very helpful feature which you can recommend to your customer. This is the one. First, from here, you can get the client list. Second, you can get the complete network visibility. Then these are the app AI diagnostic Wi-Fi. Here you can create the multiple SSID using 2.45 gigahertz. It is up to you. Then if you want to add any devices, you just scan the devices serial number, you can add the device. After that, if you want AI diagnostic, already explained you. AR HUD did. If any port is not working, you can just scan that particular port and you can find out exactly what is happening with your, which port is not working. Parental control kind of flow app. Alarm, you can set the alarm. After implementation, you can generate the project report also. Here you just create the project report and then don't need to do the manual job. You can create the project report and you can submit to your customer. Just see this how. This is the whole project report. Whole project report. How many devices are deployed? What is the configuration? What is the MAC, admin, MAC, address, IP address, serial number, topology. Everything you will get there, that here, and then you can just export in PDF or doc format, and then you can submit to your customer. Okay. Then if you want to share this project, take an example. Customer ask, I want suppose customer to what two things which I want to tell you. First, suppose I deployed this project at your office, and you told I will give you payment in 1 month, 2 months kind of time. But after deployment, customer is not releasing your payment. Customer is giving lot of trouble. Here, till the time you have the access of customer project, customer have to pay you that money because you can do anything with their project. If they given your payment, then you can hand it over that project to your customer. That is the first thing. Second thing, after deployment, customer, you think customer ask you for FMS or AMC also. So you can keep the project access with you and you can give the project access to customer also. And you can, if you have a local on-site field sales engineer, you can allow them read access or read and write whatever you want to do. You can allow them. So all 3% can simultaneously manage and manage that project. Read and write means you can just not only manage, you can do the changes also. Read means you can just monitor the project. Then password camera recognition, which I already told you. Wi-Fi optimization, already told you, automatically balance the channel. If any channel conflict is there, then AI optimization, Wi-Fi optimization will reduce that channel conflict. Roaming optimization is there. AI roaming, just enable the AI roaming and configure that. Anywhere you are traveling within the network, you will automatically get connected from one AP to other AP. Rate limiting, you can do the AP rate limiting also from here itself. SSID per SSID, if you want, give the bandwidth, that also you can do. Wireless rate limiting from the bandwidth wise, you can also do that. Okay. Then loop prevention already told you. WAN LAN configuration already told you. VLAN, you can create the VLAN from here also. NAT transfer also told you. Voucher, which I didn't told you, you can create a user group from here. You just create the user group, put the user group name. You can put the policy like one device per voucher, two device per voucher. It is up to you. And then you can put the duration, 1 hour, 30 minutes, whatever you want to do. Data quota, you can put data quota, upload, download, whatever you want to put. Okay. Then a price, if you want to put that, you can put that. Then you can go to the here, and after that you can, if you add the voucher, so you can just see, created VS user group. You want 10 voucher for this digit, you can decide A to Z, Z to A, and then you can create the voucher. This voucher is get created. Whoever has came to your network, they get the SSID, they connected, they will automatically divert to the captive portal site, and then on the portal page, and then put the SSI this voucher code, and you'll get the access. Then AI diagnosis already, AI net transfer also told you, VLAN, this thing already told you. So this, all those things are there actually. Everything you can manage. One part which I didn't told you, which I am showing you, which is the SD-WAN. So how easily you can configure the SD-WAN? Just see this. Yeah. Okay. So what you need to do to configure the SD-WAN? You can go to the services. Our SD-WAN name is AnyLink. You just create on AnyLink. After creating the AnyLink, you need to create one group first. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to create a SD-WAN group first. You just created a SD-WAN group. I put in that name, group name is demo. I created this group. Then which mode you want to configure the SD-WAN, hub mode, mesh mode, custom mode. I suppose consider mesh mode. Next, you can create two projects. I have created one was the demo, another one was the Rajya. You can you can select the project which you want consider for the SD-WAN. Then step 2 is next. Then create an SD-WAN. Your SD-WAN created, configured. That's it. So another OEM, I don't know. I heard like SD-WAN creation is very difficult process. For us, no, nothing. Just 2-minute job, your SD-WAN created. View the monitoring dashboard. This monitoring dashboard came to you. One location is here, another location is here, and all the monitoring dashboard is here. Whatever you want to create, you can see. Abnormal, abnormal, whatever you want to see, you can see this. This here. Channel abnormal, normal. Okay. Everything is here. This is the dashboard for the project from the mobile side. I have already told you this is from the laptop side. Laptop like web GUI. This is how what kind of feature is there? AI diagnostic, AI optimization, network wide. You can create VoIP, IP managed Wi-Fi optimization, loop prevention. Everything you can get here also. You can check the Wi-Fi health, Wi-Fi balance. Then you can create the alarm. You can configure the alarm. You can put the here. Then update, upgrade, delivery center. So whatever is there you want to do, like smart this project handover. After configuration, if you want to hand over this project, you can hand over this project to anyone. Okay. Then authentication wise, PPSK, PPOA, user management, AI. So these are the basically overall feature from the mobile and from the web GUI. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Now, if this is the offer which we are running, this is the specs of that particular devices 2200 and 2260G. Whatever I explained you, everything is supported by these two devices. And the offer is what? This is the offer. I'm just putting this is the offer. Buy any access point of 8 unit, you can get Amazon voucher of 1000 rupees. Buy any AP 15 unit, you can get the Amazon voucher of 2500 rupees. Buy any devices of 30 units, you can get the 6000. 50 unit, you can get the 12,000. Now, if you have any questions, sir, you can tell me. This is the scheme which is available for you today. If you have any question, any query, you can just raise your hand. I will allow you to speak. And then I think Prabhakaran has already given the answer of most of the question. Or if you have any question, then you can ask Prabhakaran also. Maybe Prabhakaran can answer you. Prabha, is there any things in chat box which you didn't answer?
Sarath Kumar asking how many ports available in the access point. See, it's basically we have a 1 gig port in a basic access point. Okay.
Every access point having two ports, some
two
access point
ports,
having
yes.
3, some access point having 4 also.
Four also.
Yeah, depend on the need, we can suggest the access point.
Yes. And then AP to AP also possible.
Yes.
Most of the access point, outdoor access point and enterprise grade Ruijie models are supporting AP to AP connectivity through fiber port.
So AP to AP possible in outdoor AP? Yeah, you can. Yes.
Then any questions?
Anyone having any question, you can raise your hand, sir. So if you don't have any question, then we can end this webinar here. I will share you that link over your email ID, and then you can go through again. So Prabhakaran, you can be in touch with them. So if anyone is interested for anything, you can do the follow-up.
Yes, sir.
And this
என்ன
webinar,
டெக்னிக்கல் ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தா சொல்லுங்க, ஓகேங்களா? சப்போர்ட் பண்றோம். ஸோ ஓவரால் எல்லா ஃபீச்சர்ஸும் சார் சொல்லியிருப்பாரு. ஸோ Reyee கிளவுட் ஆப்ல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா, மற்ற ப்ராடக்ட்ல எல்லாம் வந்து கேபிட்டிவ் போர்ட்டல்லாம் வந்து சார்ஜபிள் தான். இதெல்லாம் வந்து பேசிக் 100 மாடல்ல இருந்து we are offering that captive portal with free of cost. ஸோ ஹீட் மேப் சொல்யூஷன் எல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்களே ஜென்ரேட் பண்ண ஒரு நான் டெக்னிக்கல் காய் கூட யூ கேன் டூ இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரியான சொல்யூஷன் வந்து நம்மளுடைய ரூஜி ரீயே கிளவுட் ஆப் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா வந்து நம்ம ரூஜி ரீயே கிளவுட் ஆப் வந்து ரொம்ப யூசர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி. ஈவன் அதை பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த பர்டிகுலர் போர்ட் ரீபூட் பண்றது மூலியமா வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பர்சனை நம்ம அனுப்பிட்டு அதை என்னன்றது ப்ராப்ளம் பண்றது முன்னாடியே டயக்னோஸ் பண்ணி அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி அனுப்பலாம். ஆர்எல் சம்டைம்ஸ் வந்து போர்ட்டை ரீபூட் பண்றது மூலியமா கேமரா ஒர்க் ஆகலாம். ஸோ நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல வந்து காஸ்ட் சேவிங். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு அட்வான்டேஜ் தான். மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த சிசிடிவி பார்ட்னர்ஸ்க்கு வந்து நம்மளுடைய ரூயி கேட்வே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். ஸோ நேட் ட்ராவர்சல் பண்ணி அவங்களுடைய கேட்வேவை எல்லாமே நம்மளுடைய நேட் ட்ராவல்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணலாம் அவங்களுடைய கேமராவையோ என்பிஆர் எல்லாம். ஸோ அதுவும் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஐபி பேஸ்ல வந்து நம்மளுக்கு காமிச்சிடும். ஈவன் எந்த தேர்ட் பார்ட்டி கேமரா இருந்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு அது காமிச்சிடும். ஈவன் அப்புறம் சார் வந்து ஈக் மேப்ல வந்து இதுவும் சொல்லியிருந்தாரு இல்லைங்களா, நம்மளுடைய சிசிடிவி தேர்ட் பார்ட்டி சிசிடிவி வச்சு கூட நம்ம ஒரு பிஓஎம் ரெடி பண்ண அனுப்பலாம். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து தேர்ட் பார்ட்டிக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு சப்போர்ட் ஆகுது. ஆக்சுவலா கேமரா கூட நம்ம பண்ணலாம். வேற ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் சொல்லுங்க சார். அஜய் சார்.
Yes, yes.
எஸ் சார். ஐ
Who
திங்க்
made the RKIT solution? Na? Let me know. Yes, sir. You can discuss. If anyone having any question, you can raise your hand. I will allow you to speak. Yeah, Prabhakaran, you can discuss with RKIT.
சார் சொல்லுங்க சார். ஓகே.
If done, Prabhakaran, you discuss by your own. And if any help,
I
anything
discuss
is
it.
required from my side, you can tell me. Thank you so much, sir. So I'm
Sure, sir.
ending this
Sure, sir.
webinar now. Okay, Prabhakaran, thank you so much
Thank
for
you, sir. Thank
arranging
you so
this.
much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thanks.